मराठी कल्चर अँड फेस्टिवल्स.com ही वेबसाईट इनिशिएटिव्ह आम्ही सुरू केली होती काही वर्ष झाले आता. बेसिकली इकडचे जे भारताच्या बाहेर जन्मलेली जी मंडळी आहे त्यांना फारसं मराठी वाचता येत नाही आणि फारसं बोलताही येत नाही. समजतं थोडं, पण या सगळ्या कारणांमुळे ही वेबसाईटची संकल्पना सुरू केली होती. म्हणून त्याच्यामध्ये मराठी आणि इंग्रजी दोन्ही भाषा आपण वापरतो. तर मला बेसिकली खूप लोकांनी सजेशन्स आले की तुम्ही व्हिडिओज का नाही करत, थोडेसे म्हणजे काही सणांबद्दल किंवा काही असे व्हिडिओ पण करायला पाहिजे. पण व्हिडिओ करायला पुष्कळ वेळ लागतो, त्याला एक टीम पण लागते. कारण जसं आता मी जो व्हिडिओ रेकॉर्ड करते मी माझी स्वतःच करते, तर त्याला वेळ पण लागतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे मी त्याच्यामध्ये एवढं काही अजूनपर्यंत लक्ष नव्हतं दिलं. पण आता सध्या स्थितीमध्ये आपण सगळे घरी असल्या कारणाने विचार केला चला आता हे चैत्र महिना सुरू आहे ना, त्याच्यामुळे म्हटलं चैत्र महिन्याची ती चैत्रांगण रांगोळी खरं तर मला काढायची होती बाहेर. सो मी इंग्रजी आणि मराठी दोन्हीमध्ये बोलते, कारण म्हणजे मग इकडचे जन्मलेली मुलांना पण जरा आपण त्यांना पण कळतं ना की काय चाललं आहे, आणि इकडच्या आपल्या सणांबद्दल माहिती वगैरे त्यांना पण खरं तर त्यांना देण्यासाठीच हे सुरू केलं आहे. So, hi friends. So this month is called Chaitra month in Hindu calendar, according to Hindu calendar. So Chaitra month started on Gudi Padwa on March 22, and it's gonna end on April 22, which is Chaitra Amavasya. So this whole month is called Chaitra month, and it's a celebration of spring. It's a commencement of spring. So people like on villages, people do the rangoli. It's called specific rangoli is called Chaitrangan Rangoli. There are 51 motifs, different kinds of motifs on this rangoli. So खरं तर ही रांगोळी मला आज काढायची होती. I really wanted to draw this rangoli, but there is raining outside. So I decided I'd just print out some rangolis, and Dr. Pragati from Indore, she sent like a homemade, she drew a rangoli, Chaitrangan rangoli at her door, so she sent me that picture. Okay, and before I forget, I just wanted to mention we also have a Facebook group for this website, same name, Marathi Culture and Festivals. In that group, we always I basically provide updates from the websites, and then we also invite members to send pictures of their celebration. If they know something more like detail about any festival, any more research on that, they share those things there. So if you like, you can join that group as well. So going back to Chaitra Gauri, Chaitrangan Rangoli. So here I can show you the 51 motifs, which is very beautifully drawn here. You can see it's like elephant, Gauri, swastika, Om. So our like all auspicious signs are there. You can see that it's very beautiful. So this is called Chaitrangan Rangoli. And then Dr. Pragati, as I mentioned, she sent me like she drew herself. So this is very simple and beautiful rangoli she made. So this is from her front yard. And then this is her Gauri picture actually. So it's like she was worshipping Gauri. That's the picture. So the most important attractive thing about this Chaitra month is Chaitra Gauri Hardi Kunku. This is like girls, ladies get together. On those days, like old times, there was no girls' night out. So this Haldi Kunku is basically, you can say that this is like a girls' day out. Actually, I really wanted to, one of these days, I want to organize Chaitra Gauri Hardi Kunku at my place, and then we will do a live broadcast for that. This is in my list for so long. This year I really wanted to do that, but now I cannot do it because I cannot invite other ladies. So but yeah, it's gonna happen next maybe next year. Now it's too late for this year. So in the Chaitra Gauri Hadi Kunku, this Devi idol, you have to decorate around that idol, and it's you can basically you can pick up a theme, mostly nature related theme. You can pick up like a nice forest scene or a lake or anything. You can you can become very creative on that, and then you decorate the gauri, invite your friends, girlfriends, ladies, moms, everyone, and they basically they do sing, and then they chit chat session. And the menu is very specific for this haldi kunku. So menu would be vatli dar, panna, and karanji. So vatli dar is from the gram lentils. There is you can make like a dish with that. Panna is a drink which is made up of raw mango. So all these recipes related to this festivals, we have a specific recipe page on the website. You can click on that, so you get all those recipes over there, vatli dar, panna, karanji, everything. So you can log on to this informations is on calendar section of the website. You can when you go to this page, you can see the calendar page. Click on there, and then for that month, all whatever celebrations or festivals are there is listed there. And then if you click on that, like if you click on Gudi Padwa, you will see about this Chaitra Gauri Rangoli, and all these recipes and stuff. So this is pretty much it about this. Hopefully I'll make more videos on that, and if you like it, yeah, we also we already have it actually, the YouTube channel, and there only I'm doing. So if you like it, you can just subscribe it. So I'm pretty much, I'm like, I want to do it, but we'll see how I find time to do that. So just try to draw. At least you can just draw here on the pen, and then if you're doing a Chaitra Gauri Rangoli, just send it to me. You can email me. It's on my YouTube channel. If you can go to the there is information for that, and then otherwise you can always search me on Facebook. You can contact me there. Okay, so this is it for today. Enjoy Chaitra Gauri Rangoli. Namaskar.